special unique platform, Crochet League. This all is for free. Everything is really joyful because you will learn how to create beautiful elements by using high quality tutorials. Also, you will share your results with our subscribers, with our friends, and next you will participate in our lottery. So how it works? It's our unique platform for crocheters from all over the world, and we are constantly adding new crochet tutorials here. So step by step we will have more and more tutorials. Yes, and we have here simple elements, more difficult projects, and after closes. So sign up by using this button. You need to write your email here and after password, 8 symbols, and sign up. And next you will see 5 sections. It's news, trials, account, ranking, and diamonds. Use this button, trials, and you can start from League for Beginners. Choose one of these elements. We have our new element also here, our reel. We can start from this element. You can see the task, what you should do. So task is like this: make one motif of reel from the threads that you have at your home. You can choose any colors and you can choose your favorite crochet hook. Next, hide tails and iron and stretch this element. And after the main thing, you should make very beautiful picture. This should be high quality picture with nice light. We should see clearly each stitch in your picture. Also, you can think about the background. It can be something interesting, and this should be really something special. After, you can upload your result here at the bottom of the page. Just choose file from your device and upload this fantastic picture. Next, we will check your result. If everything will be just perfect, your result will appear in our news feed and also in our social networks. So you can learn by using high quality JThouse tutorials. Next, you can share your fantastic result with our subscribers, with our friends. I am waiting for your gorgeous results, so join our Crochet League game and start from League for Beginners. Create awesome element, upload your result. A link to our Crochet League game you will see below this video on YouTube channel and also in description on Facebook page. So this will be first link below this video, followed by this link, and you will see our platform. It looks like this. Once again, I want to show you. It's Crochet League game with such logo, and sign up. You can use this button for free and start to create. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you big inspiration and fantastic results, and see you very soon.